Hello again and welcome to week 5 of our course. We've reached week 5, which means we've passed the halfway point in the summer session. There are 2 major assignments left, the thesis-based paper, which we'll be working on for the next 2 weeks, and then a position paper, which will occupy the last 2 weeks of the course. So while week 5 is not a heavy writing week, it is certainly a week in which you'll do the very crucial work of identifying the topic for the position paper and to begin putting together the structure. So here's what the resources you'll take a look at and the 2 kind of short assignments you'll complete. These 2 sections of Little Seagull I think will be useful here, and I'd also like you to take a look at the sample student essay in the Little Seagull Against the Odds. This is an essay I referenced several times in the materials this week. There are 3 inquisitive activities I'd like you to complete during the week: mixed construction, omitted commas, unnecessary commas. And in this first module for the week, in addition to the overview video, there's a video in which I explain the thesis-based assignment, and then another one in which I go into a little more depth about what a thesis-based paper is. Your forum for this Thursday is to identify a topic and then to begin to sort it out based on its divisions. The divisions become either the paragraphs or maybe in some cases the set or pair of paragraphs that develop a major subtopic under the topic. In the next section, the second module, the writing assignment module for this week due June 29th, includes Chapter 5 of the Essay I Say, along with the chapter tutorial for that, and another student essay, Juno, Not Just Another Teenage Movie. This is an example of the kind of evaluative thesis-based paper, and again, another student paper I make reference to. There is a presentation on how to add tension to a thesis, a sample thesis-based paper, and then a discussion of how to achieve coherence and cohesion. The writing assignment for this module is, at the end of the module, it's a kind of prospectus, or you might think of it as a proposal for your topic, in which you identify the title, the thesis, and then the topic sentences. As I explain here, you really want to think of this as the spine of your paper, and it's a great starting point to understand these elements. This also gives me a chance to comment on them early in the process. You might also want to take a look at the week 6 activities, because that week 6 is when you'll submit a draft of the thesis-based paper in the following Thursday's forum, and to give me and your classmates an opportunity to weigh in on your paper, and then the final draft due at the end of week 6. All right, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.